Understanding permanent tooth, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common term in English, permanent tooth. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning new words, but also about getting a glimpse into everyday language and culture. So, let's dive in and discover what permanent tooth really means. Permanent tooth refers to the set of teeth that replace the primary teeth, often called baby teeth, in humans. These teeth are meant to last a lifetime, hence the term permanent. Unlike primary teeth, which fall out during childhood, permanent teeth are designed to stay in your mouth for as long as possible. This section will cover the natural process of losing primary teeth and the emergence of permanent teeth. This usually starts around the age of 6 and can last until early adulthood. It's a natural part of growing up and happens to everyone. We'll also touch on the typical order in which these teeth appear. Here, we discuss why it's crucial to take care of your permanent teeth. This includes practices like regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. We'll also briefly mention common dental problems that can occur if permanent teeth are not cared for properly. In this lighter section, we'll share some interesting and lesser-known facts about permanent teeth. For example, did you know that the enamel on your permanent teeth is the hardest substance in your body? I hope this video has given you a clear and easy-to-understand insight into what permanent tooth means in English. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about understanding the concepts and culture behind them. Keep practicing, and you'll keep improving. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.